Iaso Tea Reviews 2020. Iaso Tea is a detox or colon cleanse and appetite suppressant that has been around for more than a decade. However, I have only recently heard about this CBD tea after a friend recommended it and other TLC products to me. So this video is my full unbiased Iaso Reviews 2020. Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for checking out my channel. On this channel I provide tips and often recommend products that I am sure will help you to live a healthier lifestyle. So if you're looking to lose weight and just live a healthier lifestyle, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with new content that I will release on a weekly basis. Okay, so let's get back to this Iaso Tea reviews. So what exactly is Iaso Tea? How does it work? And does it really help to boost your metabolism and suppress your appetite so that you can lose weight? Let's start with what exactly is Iaso Tea. So Iaso Tea is a natural detox tea that also contains CBD. Okay, hold on a minute. What is CBD? There's no question that CBD is the buzzy wellness product of the moment. CBD is short for cannabidiol and it is a chemical compound from the cannabis sativa plant, which is also known as marijuana. However, CBD is different from THC or tetrahydrocannabinol, which is the compound in marijuana that makes people get high. CBD is loaded with a lot of health benefits and none of the negative side effects that you'll get from THC. So some of the benefits of CBD include anxiety relief, pain relief, it is great for your skin, and can even use to treat cancer. So in short, CBD is very good for you. That said, let's get back to our CBD Iaso Tea review. Apart from CBD, Iaso Tea contains several other all-natural ingredients in a proprietary blend. Some of these ingredients are holy thistle, blessed thistle, Persimmon Leaves, Papaya Extract, Malva Leaves, and several others which you can see in the description below this video. Now if you do a little research, you'll find that all of these ingredients have some properties of cleansing your digestive tract. For example, according to WebMD, Malva Leaves helps to prevent constipation and Papaya Extract helps with stomach and intestinal problems. So yes, all of the ingredients in Iaso Tea work in conjunction to help you detox your entire body, and the result of that is better skin and a boost in your metabolism and of course weight loss. So how do you take Iaso Tea for maximum benefit? The instruction on the packet says that you should take 1 sachet daily with at least 8 ounces of water 30 minutes before you eat. However, my personal experience says that 2 sachets will provide a much better result. Now let's look at how Iaso Tea works to help you lose weight. And it is actually simple. The ingredients in the tea contains a high percentage of soluble fiber, and this is really good for your digestive system. When you drink the tea, it's like you're having a power wash for your intestines. The rough edge cleans out your system in a pretty similar way to a colon irrigation, except you get to detox at home without spending thousands of dollars. So once that happens, you'll get a boost in your metabolism and you will experience increased energy levels on a daily basis. That, coupled with the fact that the tea suppresses your appetite, is a perfect recipe for weight loss. So in short, the tea does help in weight loss. Now I want to be clear that Iaso Tea is not a miracle weight loss solution. If you drink the tea and you do nothing else, you will see some initial weight loss, but then if you don't adapt healthy eating habits, the results won't last. So you want to make sure that you are getting regular exercise and you are paying attention to your diet. That said, let's look at some of the pros and cons to Iaso Tea. In this Iaso Tea Reviews 2020, I want to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And we all know that there is no perfect product. So let's have a look at the pros and cons of Iaso Tea. And we'll start with the pros. And the first one is the tea is very easy to take. All you have to do is add it to your water, shake, and drink. Number 2, the tea tastes great. Now they have 3 flavors. They have the original, they have the raspberry, and they have lemon. My favorite is the raspberry. 3, the tea does what it says it does. You will detox, you will boost your metabolism, and you will increase your energy levels and as a result you will lose weight. And 4, you can get a sample pack if you're not ready to commit. Yes, that's right. If you just want to test the tea, you can get a free sample pack that will last you for at least 5 days. The only caveat with that is that you have to pay for the shipping. Now let's look at the cons of Iaso tea. The first thing is that it is a bit pricey. Compared to other teas on the market, this is on the higher end. At $59 for a 30-day supply, this is no small change. The good news, however, is that the product works and you won't be spending as much money on groceries because you won't be eating as much. And con number 2 is that you will be going to the bathroom more often than usual. But if you think about it, this is actually a good thing and not even a con. It's just that depending on where you are and when you need to go, a bathroom might not be readily available. And finally, con number 3 is that the product is not shipped to every country. Total Life Changes, or TLC for short, which is the brand that manufactures Iaso tea, ships to a lot of countries worldwide. However, at the time of doing this 2020 Iaso tea review, not every country is listed. So now let's wrap up this Iaso tea reviews. In conclusion, Iaso tea or CBD tea does provide a lot of benefits, some of which include detoxifying your digestive system, boosting your metabolism, increasing your energy levels, and of course, all of this leads to effective weight loss. So my recommendation is that you give this tea a try right away. You owe it to yourself to do whatever it takes to live a healthier lifestyle. And in my honest opinion, Iaso tea and other products from TLC is a catalyst to you doing just that. So check out the links in the description below this video to order your supply right away while stock lasts. I guarantee that you will be thanking me later. That said, thank you so much for tuning into this Iaso tea review. I hope I answered all the questions you may have about this all-natural CBD tea. However, if I didn't answer any question that you may have, just know that I am here to help you. Just post your questions in the comment section below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.